Perfect. I'll ask you one by one, and you just answer. Ready?
Okay.
Here's the first question. What's your name?
Okay. My full name is MD Tafsir Rahman Topu, but you can call me Tafsir.
Nice to meet you, Tafsir. All right, here's question number 2. How old are you?
Currently, I am 25 years old.
Great. You're doing well? Here's question 3. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Awesome. Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Now, question 4. What do you do? Are you a student or do you work?
Actually, I am a student and also I am teaching English.
Wow, that's impressive. Being both a student and an English teacher is not easy. All right, question 5. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I try to learn English and I try to research. I try to solve all the problem, especially in grammatical problem in English. This is how I can help my student very nicely.
That's a really smart way to use your free time, Tafsir. You sound very dedicated. Okay, here comes question 6. What's your favorite food?
Okay, my favorite food is biryani.
Biryani is delicious. Good choice. Now, question 7. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, sure. I have 4 brothers, but sorry, I have 4 sisters, but no brother.
Got it? 4 sisters then. Thanks for clearing that up. Question 8 coming up. What kind of music do you like?
I like classical Bengali music.
Nice. Classical Bengali music has such beautiful melodies. Here's question 9. What's your favorite movie or TV show?
Okay, my favorite TV show is British Arthur Group from Turkey.
That's a popular one. Ertugrul has a lot of fans around the world.
Yes.
Question 10. Do you like to travel? If yes, where have you been?
Yes, I love to travel. I really fond of traveling. And last time I traveled Cox's Bazar, which is the longest sea beach in over the world, and which is really beautiful and amazing for exploring.
Cox's Bazar sounds incredible. It must have been a great trip.